Since my husband died in September of last year, I have gotten horribly depressed multiple days every week. At least one day every week, but most of the time it's multiple days. And I realized today that I didn't get that this week, which is so strange for me to reflect on because I had so many moments where I almost did, where I was this close to hitting that depression and giving up and being like, just succumbing to it. But I didn't. Instead, I pushed through it. I forced myself to stick to my routine. And I did the damn thing. And in a way, it's kind of sad because I think I've been clinging to that sadness and that depression for a year now because in my head, the grief is telling me that it's what I have left of him. And that if I let go of it, I am doing a disservice to him. And I am letting him go. But that's not true. I forget that fact a lot. That it's okay for me to let go of the sadness and just remember the joy, the memories, days that were soft. I forget to prioritize myself. I forget that that's important. But this week, I proved to myself that when I prioritize myself, I am more stable. I show up better as a parent, as a friend, just as a human in general. I show up better. When I stick to my routines that I set for myself, I'm doing things that feed my soul. It's working. This past week has been a test. I've been testing myself to see if those things would actually work. Like if I actually pushed through and told myself, no, we're not doing that today. We're not choosing that today. Because I've had days where I chose joy instead of pain and heartache, but I just didn't realize the impact it would have if I chose it every single time instead of just choosing it here and there. I'm really proud of myself.